Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Yeah, thank you for the time. The number one problem in today's generation and economy is the lack of financial literacy. Well, there is a quote from Alan Greenspan, economic, who has stated clearly the fact that the financial literacy is important and we must raise our awareness to implement it. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hairunisa. Today, I would like to present our presentation. I and my partners, Dr. Lolita Sari and Mumtaz Anisa, about the implementation of financial literacy on procedure tax at MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan. Why do we have to do this research? Well, the poverty alleviation is still being a big challenge in carrying out sustainable development goals. Therefore, implementing financial literacy is a way to minimize the poverty and quality education. By knowing financial literacy, people can make a smart financial decision, saving, budgeting, and planning for the future. However, it is found that the implementation of financial literacy still lack. In the family environment, some parents are still lack of clear financial planning, budgeting for the household. While at school, the teacher and the librarian should have given the students much exposure about financial literacy. Therefore, it is also limited collection about financial literacy because there are no exposure from the teachers and the librarians, particularly at MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan. Besides, the collection about the financial literacy is not up to date. Well, there are two objectives here of our research. The study aims to identify some challenges on the implementation of financial literacy, particularly in procedure tax at MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan. This research is also aimed to gain some information about the Library of MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan, which is supporting the Sustainable Development Goals for Quality Education. The study used descriptive qualitative approach to understand deeply about the process of implementing financial literacy through procedure tax at MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan. The data is collecting through literature study by exposing the students to read some journals and textbook about financial literacy at library. There are also some observation and questionnaire. The data also analyzed from students' presentation videos regarding procedure tax about how to save and invest the money. There are also some discussion and direct practices. Well, here are the findings. First, the financial literacy is suitable to be taught in procedure tax material. It's about 97.3% of students understand about how to budget their money. They have already practiced that their pocket money must be set up about 50% for their needs, 30% for their desire, and 20% for the saving. The students of MAN 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan also believe that frugal living is one of how to survive, one tips to prevent the consumerism and hedonism. The research also found that students have already known how to save the money, even though they still use piggy banks. The students also have already known how or where they have to invest their money. It's about 8.6% of students invest their money in gold or logam mulia, even though they don't want to invest their money on Bitcoin. Another finding is the student have got some information about saving and investing the money through reading online articles, from the teacher's explanations about the procedure tax, particularly about how to save and invest the money, and through the library visit. Oh, we go to the end slide, the conclusion. Uh, the implementation of financial literacy in procedure tax at Mansatu Kota Tangerang Selatan has a great potential in reaching the goals of sustainable development, particularly in poverty and quality education. Second, the challenges in implementing financial literacy at school are on the teacher and librarian and madrasah library. And the last is the teacher must be trained well, is supposed to be trained well about the literacy financial. And the last is, but not least, madrasah library must be improved, specifically for the financial literacy uh, collection for the sources of learning. Well, thank you for the time and attention. We hope the information can share, can inspire, and benefit you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.